Hey friends, it's Steph. So I thought I would come to you. Do you remember when I said that I had ordered from Factory Direct Crafts? Well, oh my gosh, they shipped so super quick and it came in the mail on my last video when I did it. I was so surprised. So I wanted to share with y'all what I got there. I will show you too that I did get my last Temu miniatures. I received the cash register, which I do love. It is metal. It has a little removable drawer. You see the little money sections and everything. Super nice. So I'm going to decide whether I'm going to use this one or if I'm going to make one. I may make one anyway just so we can see how it turns out. That one is metal, very nice. This was the other thing that I had coming. It's just a little fireplace set that I got for Lucy's apartment. I'm not thrilled with the bright yellow gold, but other than that, I think it's pretty clever. I am going to trim this down so that it sits in there nicely. You see, it's just a little bit long, but I did match it up with the fireplace that I have for Lucy's apartment. It is a perfect fit, so I really am happy with this. It is metal, well made, has some weight to it, so it'll stand up nicely in Lucy's apartment. So I'm super excited about that. Now, I will tell you before I get into the Factory Direct stuff, they did send in my box, they sent a coupon for $5 off, 35 minimum. They did send my order is on here, and I can tell you how much everything cost. They sent a thank you with 10% off my next order, and then they sent a little sale flyer as well. So I may go have another look at them. Probably not for a little bit. I've ordered just enough stuff, you guys. I just don't need anything else. I did get on Amazon. I wanted to show y'all, this is what the museum wax looks like if you're not familiar with it. It comes with a little scooper. It's a heart shape, so I thought that was super cute. I did put a little museum wax on the top here so that my little scooper would not get lost, because y'all can imagine that would be easy to lose. You don't need a whole lot when you're using it, and this comes, it's very full, so I imagine that this would last for quite a while. So I'm excited to try that out. I will be trying this in the general store, so we will be using that. I also got, and I'm not sure if y'all can see it, these are like little, for lack of better, glue dots. I'm not sure what they're made from, but, oh my gosh, let's see if I can get them out. Sorry, guys, I didn't realize this was going to be so tricky. I figured if I use these, that I could probably cut them if I needed smaller pieces. I don't know if y'all, can y'all see those? They're just little bitty, clear, and they're just like little glue dots. But you know what? I guess I was thinking that they were sticky on both sides, and now I'm not so sure. So now I don't know what I'm going to do with these. They may be going back to Amazon now that I think about it. So I'll investigate those a little more, but I did pick those up to try those. I apologize for my phone going off, guys. My girls are out, and that's their little tracking thing, Life 360. Okay, so y'all remember we got the little buggy for our little general store. We have the little carriage, buggy, whatever we want to call it. So I saw a horse on Factory Direct. It did say it was 1/12, but y'all, I think we got a little baby horse because, yeah, here we go. You ready? I don't think he's going to pull that buggy too much. He's just a little baby. So, back to the drawing board on my horse. He is cute, though. Well made. It's just a plastic little pony. It's got some dust on it or something. So, yeah. Not horrible, but not exactly what I was looking for. Now, I will tell you on Factory Direct Crafts, they do list the scale in the listing, and this one did say that it was 1/12. But for a pony, he probably is. For a full-grown horse, he is not. So, He will go there. Now, I'll show you, they sent everything in a little box, and all of the little bits and bobs came in a bag like this. I'm going to show you that. And then the bigger thing I got came in a separate box underneath all of this stuff. In the same box, but its own box. Did I say that correctly? I don't know, y'all. All right, so one of the first things I got, this is for the general store. It's just a little wooden toy. How cute is that? I love it. I don't know if it says deluxe quality miniature collectible. Other than that, it does not give you any information on it. But I did think this was cute. I am going to put this in the general store. And I got several little toys for the general store. This is another one. It's just a little scooter. This one, again, no information on the tag. It just says miniature accessories, not for children. These are, I think most of these are made in Taiwan. This is made of metal, so looks pretty cute. Let's open it. Ugh. Guys, is it hot where y'all live? Oh my goodness, it's been so hot here. Usually, you know, our highs are like in the 70s, mid-70s during the summer. It has been almost 90 here, and I'm just not happy. I love summer, but not 90s summer. All right, that's pretty cute. Well made, put together nicely. So yeah, I think that'll go nice in the general store. I think you could do a very nice toy store from Factory Direct, because they did have a lot of fun little toys to choose from. All right, this is, and I really just got this for one thing in this package, y'all. The soap box, because in Lucy's apartment, you know, she always uses like some soap powder for her dishes. And so, even though this has some clothes on it, I'm going to use it as her soap box for the kitchen in Lucy's apartment. So that's what that's for. It also came with these two little silly looking things. I mean, I'm guessing this is like a toilet brush, which it's super cute. And then just a little pommy kind of brush, a little pom-pom on it. So they are cute, but I don't think I'll use those. They'll go in my stash of stuff. Because we all know I have plenty of stuff, don't I? This, again, is little miniatures. And it's like soap. There's an ivory soap. How cute is that? And these are little wooden blocks covered with paper. So there's an ivory soap. There's, I'm guessing this is, oh, I cannot remember the name of that soap, but I'm thinking this is that kind of soap as well. But I can't remember the real name of it, but they call it Gamay on this one. So, and then, y'all, this is random. There's a Jell-O box, which is the same size as a soap. And really, I guess if you think about it, Jell-O boxes are about the same size as soap. Sorry, guys. All right, and the last thing is another little box of soap. I'm guessing this is like a powdered soap, and it says Lux on it. So, yeah, so not bad. I mean, they're just little soap things on little wooden blocks. So, not bad. Not bad at all. I'll probably will put those on the shelf in the general store, though, so, because I think those soaps will go good in there. Let's see what else we have. Here's another toy. Now, this one is Sweet Treats, Tiny Treasures to Accent Your Life. And these are from Acclaim, I'm guessing miniatures. And these, again, made in Taiwan. And I did not check, guys, to see where Factory Direct stuff is located, where their company is located. But I just noticed that they did have a lot of different miniature stuff that I had not seen before. And this is just a little pull toy sheep. I thought it was so cute. Look at that. Very cute. So that's going to go in the general store. Okay, y'all, this was an impulse buy. And I'm already regretting it because I'm going to tell you. So it's a barrel of pickles. I thought from the picture it looked very, very nice. And I thought I could get it for the general store. Because y'all know I was talking about how am I going to make pickles. I figured I was going to have to get out the polymer clay. So here we go. And you can see several of them have fallen off. It's like they're, I don't know if it's clay or little rocks or what, but it's just a little barrel of pickles. I just thought it was cute. Pickles for 1 cent. And they're just little bits glued to the top of it. They don't really look like pickles. They don't remind you of pickles, but that's what they're calling themselves, is pickles. Not in scale at all. Super tiny. So that was my one disappointment, was my barrel of pickles, y'all. So I guess I'm back to square one on the darn pickles, huh? This one here is from Royal Miniatures. Again, it says from Canoga Park, California, USA, but it is made in Taiwan. So maybe that's something that you could look up, see if they have a website. I don't know. This is for the general store, and it is just a mail bag. I thought it was pretty nice. The writing on it's not fabulous, but, you know, not horrible. It's just a little faux leather bag with some mail in it. I thought this was nice, and so I'm going to hang a little hook back there, and I'm going to hang this on the hook for the general store. So I thought that was really nice. And I can't remember if I showed y'all, but I was painting, this is the mailbox, and I've painted it black, and I'm just going to put mail across the front of it. But I haven't done that yet. All right, here's another toy. This one is a little smaller than the others, but it's still just super cute. It's just a little pull toy cow. Now this one does not have a string on the front, so I may have to add a little string to it. But how cute is that, y'all? Super cute little cow. So that's going to go in the general store on the shelf. Let's see what else we have. Now this is kind of small. I guess it didn't have a label on it. And of course, y'all, I don't have a pair of scissors. Oh, here's my scissors. I found them. They weren't hiding too terribly bad, but I cannot get this little bag open. I'm not thrilled with this one. This is a little tiny sewing machine. I am not sure where this little screw thing goes. There's no space for it on here, but it came, or oh, maybe, you know what this is? So, you know, I have modern sewing machines, so not very many older ones, but previously sewing machines had to be oiled. So that is actually an oil can, and I love that. And then here's the sewing machine. It is just cast in metal, all one piece. There's no decoration on it, no anything. It's just the shape of a sewing machine, and you just are supposed to know what it is, I guess. But this oil can, y'all, is fabulous. Can y'all see that? I love it. I do love that. Okay, sewing machine, not so much. This, I think, is a great piece as well. Very detailed, looks very nice, very well made. There's a little glue parts. So this just says factorydirectcraft.com, Springboro, Ohio. So maybe that's where they're located. But this is a saw, like a wood saw. So I'm going to hang this up in the general store as well. It's a little messy right here, so I'll clean that up. I have some of those little jewelry rasps things, you know, like you can clean out a hole in a bead or something, ream a bead with it. Maybe it's a bead reamer. Maybe that's what they're called. And so I'll use that on this so I can clean that up a little bit. But yeah, super nice. Not too sharp. Won't hurt you too badly. Knowing my luck, though. All right, y'all, this one, I really do love this one. This is, again, from the Acclaim Miniatures. And let's see if y'all can tell what this is. It is a butter churn. It does not open or anything. Everything's glued down. Well made, just a piece of wood. It is in two parts because you can see where they glued this top on there. But again, this is for the general store. I figure I could have put it in Lucy's apartment for when her and Ethel made butter and bread. That was one of my favorite episodes. But, so yeah, butter churn. And so I think that'll go in the general store as well. It does look a little tiny, but I think we can make it work. It'll be all right. All right, and again, like I said, with Factory Direct, they do have the scale with each item. And the last thing I got from there, this I think is going to go in Lucy's apartment. You know, the last piano I got was not in scale. It was super, super tiny. This one is in scale and actually pretty nice, well made. It's wood. This is paper. This is paper. They're just glued on there. It's got a little foot pedal. It's, you know, kind of hollow. But obviously very well made. I'm not thrilled with the color of it, but I think it's fine. And then there's just a little bench for playing the piano. I think that's super, super cute. And I do believe I am going to use this one in Lucy's apartment. I really do like it. That will go under the window in the back of the apartment. So I really did like that. So the total for all of this was $56. The piano and bench were the most expensive at $16. Everything else was, let's see, the butter churn was $5. One of the toys was $4. The sewing machine and oil can, which I am very disappointed in, that was $4. I would not have paid $4 for that if I had known what it looked like in person. So that was my only disappointment, really, was the sewing machine. I am happy with everything else, and I think I would order from them again. I definitely probably will use my little coupon with them, but yeah, I think I'm good with a lot of stuff, so I don't need too much more. But I definitely would shop with them again. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Thanks.